Welcome back. We begin our bulletin from the United States, which has reported 1,157 COVID-19 deaths and over 73,000 cases in the last 24 hours. Now, the total number of infections in the country has surpassed 4.1 million, with nearly 146,000 deaths. In Brazil, 1,156 more people have died from the virus, increasing the tally to over 85,000. Worldwide, the death count has exceeded 638,000, while cases top 15.6 million. More in this report.
The coronavirus pandemic is accelerating rapidly, especially in the regions of Americas, Far East and South Africa. Mexico City's mayor has warned of a second wave of coronavirus as the cases top 370,000, with the total deaths crossing 42,000. The cases began to level off in mid-June, but recent numbers raise fears of a rebound of infections. In the U.S., the White House has pushed on its stance of reopening schools amid the pandemic. It said children should go back to school even if it turns out they are transmitting the deadly virus.
There have also been few reports of children being the primary source of COVID-19 transmission among family members. That's where the data currently stands. But that being said, even if there is transmission and later studies come out, let's say, we believe that students should be going back to school because the effect on a child, we know scientifically, they are not affected in the same way as an adult.
France has tested its water waste from the Paris sewage system once more after traces of COVID-19 were found in it at the end of June. But researchers said it did not show a surge of COVID-19 infection. Meanwhile, in the UK, Prime Minister Boris Johnson said we'll be past coronavirus by mid-2021, but warned of a tough times ahead.
I think that by the middle of next year, we will be well on the way past it. But I must be clear with people. I do still think that we have tough times ahead in keeping this virus under control, and we have tough times ahead in coming through economically.
Elsewhere, mainland China has reported 34 new cases, all of which were domestically transmitted. South Korea has reported 113 new cases in the past 24 hours, which is its first daily jump above 100 in nearly 4 months. The country is struggling to contain a spike in fresh virus transmissions since early May when it eased social distancing rules.